everybody here in the room, including those, my staff, basahin nyo ang Yogo Framework for Action. Basahin nyo ang Sendai Framework for Action. Hindi dapat na meron halal na tao o appointed sa gobyerno na hindi alam ang Yogo at ang Sendai. Alam ng DFA yan, di ba? O baka si Yusek Jess, kaya mong paliwanag. Were you with me in 2015?
Yes, ma'am.
You were with us, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I co-headed the delegation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just okay. Educate all of my staff and all of those new in government. The Sendai Framework for Action. Basic lang.
Okay. Well,
Yusek Jess Domingos
okay,
recognized. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. So basically, Sendai focuses more on the prevention of natural hazards through implementation of plans, programs, whereas the Hyogo framework focus on the understanding of the risks and responses entailed in natural disasters.
So the difference would be, Yogo was 2005 to 15,
Yes,
right? We transitioned from Yogo to Sendai 2015 to 30? To 30?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I believe.
not 25. Yes. So in Yogo, they aspired to reduce disaster losses by reducing the risk. Everybody, you check if I'm correct, as a global champion of DRR, baka nakalimutan ko na, to reduce the risk. Pero dapat, hindi lang reduce, di ba? We should prevent it. Kung naka-preposition, dapat i-prevent, di ba? Prevent. And then Yogo was also improving resilience. Remember, this was 2005. At that time, puro response-oriented. No. But how can you improve resilience if you do not even know where it strikes, how it strikes? You do not know the vulnerabilities, the hazards, and the risks. So it should be science-based, knowing the hazards, iba yun, multi-hazards, iba yung risks and vulnerabilities, then you can improve your resilience. Tama ba, Gary? Yes, kulong yes eh. But so ito, importante magkaroon ng DRR CCAM program ang PCO as a spin-off of this Asia-Pacific Ministerial Conference. So after this conference, gather whatever experts, assuming I have something new to say in my speech, okay, but gather it and simplify it so that this can be communicated in the barangays. Yes, yes. Okay, Director Faith.
We're actually working with DNR po with regards to simplifying the technicalities that's involved in this conference. So what we're going to be helping them with basically is to release, to help them with media mileage. So we're going to assist them also with social media plans. So we're going to be covering each event. We're going to provide coverage via photo releases, PRs, captioning, and also live streaming of the event. So basically, technical work po yung ipoprovide namin tulong sa kanila.
So DNR takes care of
That's the substantives.
the substantives. But it doesn't mean just because you're media, you just do, okay, we do Facebook Live, we do live streaming, okay, we post the PR, that's it. No, you should understand what you're covering and posting, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I'll have a separate meeting with the media team with Tala and Cesar for this before the event. And I want to see first, maybe we don't discuss it now. Give me your media plan. If you don't mind, I'm going to help you tweak it, see.
Sure.
And then you understand it with the Yusek Te or Yusek Leones. Yes, have a briefing. Just read on DRR so that you know what you're communicating, right? And then, okay, live stream. I mean, that's very usual. Okay, draft a PR. Okay, blast it. Star, Inquirer, Try Media. How else? How else will you ensure that the conference is effective by communicating the importance of preparedness to reduce disaster risk to improve an LGU's or a community's resilience to natural hazards?
looking into getting parang champions po from each LGUs to talk about their best practices, what they did during specific disasters, natural disasters. So parang ano po, mga stories nila on how they went about it para mas relatable po siya actually sa masa. Yes po.
It's very broad. Maybe you should improve on this. Anyway,
The
sige.
detailed calendar,
Just-
Chair, we can
Just kindly
provide po.
give me the media plan after the session, after hearing.
Copy.
Okay, thank
so
you.
much.
Are you new in government? You've been here.
I'm new po, particularly.
New, how new?
Just joined in this administration po.
And before that, were you in media?
I was in corporate po.
Okay. Sige, thank you. Let's proceed. So, I need to see the media plan for the DRR conference. Pandi naman sayang, Asia Pacific yan. Oo. At sana yung maintindihan doon, yung matutunan doon, magamit din natin sa mga LGUs. Diba? So it doesn't stay in the minds of the speakers and the experts and hanggang sa atin. Sige. Okay, proceed. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Director Faith. To proceed, these are also some of our ongoing projects. Usapang Agrikultura, Kapihan sa Bagong Pilipinas, the PCO Media Orientation.
Usapang Agrikultura.
All right, that's my project.
What is that?
All right, Usapang Agrikultura, we utilized on-air online in sustainable speed and sustainable focus so that 5 to 6 in the morning in all radio stations of Radyo Pilipinas, about 28 of them will feature issues, content on agriculture. So that it's not only about bigas pala, it's something to do with livestock, entrepreneurship. That's every day po, 5 to 6 in the
5
morning. Opo,
Ah,
every day po.
Is
ito.
Radyo Pilipinas Radyo ng Bayan?
Formerly Radyo ng Bayan, it
Okay.
is now Radyo
pareho.
Pilipinas
Okay,
po.
pangalan lang yun. So, there are 28 radio stations.
Opo, opo.
Okay.
Opo.
Please give us the focal. Make sure we send our daily or
Yes.
sorry, every day I churn out press releases. Make sure it's carried
Yes po.
and some are agriculture. It's carried by Radyo ng Bayan. It's now called Radyo Pilipinas. So, the 5 to 6 a.m. airtime ay para sa magsasaka.
Opo. And this is multimedia. We're only utilizing radio shows. Well,
Dapat nakikinig. Oo. Kunin yung contacts ng 28 Radyo ng Bayan, GMs o kung sinong in charge.